Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue where for some reason your iPhone screen is just not responding. Maybe it's stuck on a certain panel, or maybe it just seems like it was working 1 second ago and it's frozen completely. Now, the very first thing I would recommend doing is to, first of all, understand your phone is probably completely fine, so there's probably not a big issue with it. All you really have to do is click the volume up button, click the volume down button, and hold the side button right here to at least force start your iPhone. So what it looks like is to click the volume up button, click the volume down button, and then hold the side button here and just keep holding it down until your iPhone actually fully restarts. So I'm going to go ahead and do it with you. So I'm holding down my iPhone. I know it looks kind of awkward a little bit. So just keep holding it down, and when you see the screen restart and you see the Apple logo come up, you can pretty much let go, and you just want your iPhone to pretty much fully restart. So nothing is happening. We're not deleting everything off your phone. Nothing like that is happening. All it is doing is just pretty much booting. It's like pretty much taking the battery off your phone and putting it back in. So once you go ahead and restart it, you'll see this little thing come up. You can click home, and you want to see if your iPhone is working now. If your iPhone seems like it's working and you play with it for a couple seconds and minutes and it seems like it's still fine, then you're pretty much good to go. Maybe it was just a random glitch and now it's pretty much fixed for the most part. But if for some reason that didn't fix it and you boot up your iPhone and it's frozen again after like a couple seconds of messing with it, well, what I would recommend doing is to actually try your fastest and try your best to hop into the settings app if you have the ability to. Go down to general right here, click on software update, and try to at least get a software update going. If it doesn't look like there's an update available, then you may just have to go ahead and either factory reset your iPhone or at least restart your iPhone again until it fixes the issue. So you can see, if you're able to get here and you are able to download the update, then recommend at least downloading the update and installing that update if you have the chance. If that doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is actually going ahead and factory resetting and restarting your iPhone. So what this looks like is you essentially have a computer, and I'll leave my link to the video in the description of exactly how to do this because it's kind of a process. So watch that video if you want to get to that level where it pretty much deletes everything off your iPhone or restarts it. But you may also have something wrong with your iPhone in general. If a restart doesn't fix it and you restart it a couple times and it's still going on, a reset may not fix it either. So I would recommend actually contacting Apple and letting them know the situation. There may be a service repair program out for your device. There may be tons of other things to help you out in this specific case. So I'd recommend contacting Apple and having them take a look at your iPhone as well. So those are a couple ways to fix it in my opinion. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.